part 2 of the same video. My camera logged off. So yep, we got the 21.2 series update. I'll show you the thread chaser kit real quick. I've used this once, I believe. Yeah, this is the one I used. But I started to use that one too. The 11 and the 14 were used. So that one's still fresh. Lifetime warranty on all those bits. Then you got digital calipers here. Let's open this up real quick. So there you go. Digital micrometer for measuring rotors. I bought this one second, and this is my first one I bought, but because the tips here are so close to each other, you cannot get around that rust ridge on some rotors. And here's something I haven't used in a long time. It's my Mac Tools triple square sockets for doing your Volkswagens and your Audis. So lowest drawer. That's where I keep all of my overloaded stuff here. If you're interested, I can give you the specs for this one. So this was a cheap Amazon. It doesn't have a brand name on it. It doesn't even have a brand name on it. So this is a cheap Amazon coolant kit. If you act now, I'll also give you a Sunoco battery booster, 1000 amp. And this is where I keep all my blow mold kits. I'll put this camera on a tripod. So you got a Mac Tools. Tie rod kit. Right. Let's put this one. So we taking out of the box here. So second one is a Snap-on. Bit driver kit, orange. It's a master kit. It's the blow mold number on there. I'll pause it again. This is a cheap Amazon harmonic balancer puller, which I had to modify the tips on to make it fit. Get started soon. They got a Mac Tools line puller set. So just feel free to pause, as I said, or DM me any questions. Okay, I forget what's in here. Let's find out. I haven't used this in a long time. Oh yeah, my Mac Tools Master Bolt Grip set. So I added these things customly because they would fit in some situations that worked for me. It does have a lot of signs of usage. All these I haven't used in a long time. I'll pull both of these out together. It's the last two. So your Mac Tools brake caliper set. There's a few pieces to this guy. The plate, the right hand thread, and the regular, the pusher for regular calipers that aren't scroll calipers. I have that in my speed cart, so instead of grabbing the whole blow mold case, I just keep that out just for doing brake jobs on the fly. And these guys here are empty sections that aren't being used. Or I guess it'll be here and here. And the Mac Tools, doesn't show, O2 sensor, an oil sensor, pressure sensor socket set. Rest of this is junk, so it's gloves. I could take this out for the deal. Gloves and radios and PCM. One thing I just remembered I have that I forgot to show you guys. I'll take this off the thing, the tripod. One other thing I have that I forgot to show you guys was in this top drawer, my 3/8 thing for the sockets. These are all cheap, but this one is a Snap-on sensor socket, 11/1/16. This is good for oil pressure switches. Very good. Let me recenter this. All right, and there you go. Few scratches on this one, so let me see if I can see this in the light here. A few dents on here, so yeah, you can see a little dip on there. I had to put some touch-up paint on that. And that's it for the video. Thanks for viewing.